Welcome to Autotech Global. As well known, Rolls Royce is one of the most luxurious car brand. Now I am discussing some secrets about Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce grew up by electrical and mechanical business established by Henry Royce in 1884. Royce built his first motor cars in 1904 and he met Charls Rolls, whose company was selling quality cars in London. Royce's first creation, which made its maiden car in 1904, had a 1.8-liter two-cylinder engine which produces 10 horsepower. Success with the cars led to the formation of Rolls Royce Company in March 1906 and to the launch of the 6-cylinder silver Ghost, which within a year was the best car in the world. Rolls Royce's iconic hood ornament, the Spirit of Ecstasy, debuted in 1911, which popped out from hood when the engine is on. Rolls Royce Motor Car was sold by Vickers to Volkswagen, although BMW held the rights to the name and the mark for use on Rolls Royce cars, having acquired the rights from Rolls Royce for £40 million in 1998. After negotiations, BMW and Volkswagen Group arrived at a solution. From 1998 to 2002, BMW would continue to supply engines for the cars and allow Volkswagen to use the Rolls-Royce name and logo. On 1st January 2003, only BMW would be able to name the cars Rolls-Royce, and Volkswagen Group's former Rolls-Royce or Bentley division would build only cars called Bentley. The last Rolls-Royce from Crewe factory, the Cornish, ceased production in 2002, at which time the Crewe factory became Bentley Motors Limited and Rolls-Royce production was relocated to a new entity in Goodwood, England, known as Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. The EU banned the illuminated Spirit of Ecstasy. The official reason is that the illuminated ornament creates too much light pollution. Majority of vintage Rolls-Royce are still operational due to its reliability, durability and superior build quality. 36.7-liter supercharged Rolls-Royce V12 engine, which produces 2,300 horsepower, were known for amazing performance and penetrating speed. 301 mile per hour, that is 484 km per hour speed, was recorded in 1935. The battery-powered aircraft hit a top speed of 387.4 mile per hour, that is 623 km per hour in testing, making it not just the fastest electric plane but the fastest electric vehicle. You can send your chauffeur to Rolls-Royce driving school for special training for better ride quality and comfort. Only bulls are allowed for Rolls-Royce leather interiors. Those bulls only come from Europe, where the higher altitude means fewer mosquitoes and other insects, minimizing bite marks that gives better quality leather. One man paints all Rolls-Royce pinstripes by hand. It takes at least 2 months to build a Rolls-Royce and it packed with best sound insulating material. To achieve the mirror-like body finish, 5 layers of paint are applied by robots. Hard-to-reach spots are painted by highly skilled painter. Rolls-Royce ensures magic carpet ride by providing its advanced suspension. The suspension absorbs all irregularities, resulting in better ride quality. You can comment your favorite Rolls-Royce model on comment box and support me by giving like, share and subscribe.